Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sushmita Bai. Today I am going to show you how to glow your skin instantly. Let's not waste our time, let's get into the video. Let's take 2 spoons of boiled milk, Glow instant packet and 1 Banjara's rose water mix or any other rose waters. Let's start the preparation. Take 1 spoon of coffee powder and 2 spoons of milk and few drops of rose water. Then mix it well. So this is ready, let me mix it well. And boys can apply this face pack easily. I'm going to apply this on my face. This face pack does not cause any kind of a side effect or damages to your skin. It brightens your skin, so you can use it very freely and without any fear. Apply it all over your face and wash it after 5 minutes. And my skin has dried, so let me wash now. After washing, please don't rub your skin, just wipe it like that slowly. So I hope you like this remedy and see the result so smooth and chubby.
Keep trying this every weekend and your skin will grow. If you like my channel, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for part 2.
Thank you.